Every time in your life, be kind to those who have been kind to you. And if you can't find them, be kind to another person around you there. That's how to harvest joy. Not happiness, joy, because happiness lasts for little. Joy forever. Like this, I will not forget. In this barangay, it's called the Barangay 15, Loud East, Legazpi City. People work very hard here. I like telling people, especially those coming to the Philippines, so that you can know that don't neglect people. Respect them who they are. This place here is like on the third lower level of the market here in Legazpi. It's very hard. Despite of those little fan there, you see spinning, but it is super hard. But still people, because they don't have a choice, they're still working here. Why not render to them respect in what they do? My turn? My turn? There? Complicated order? No, it's not complicated order. So actually I'm gonna get avocado and what? Apple. I will see if they're gonna accept that. And because it's gonna be complicated order, no ice, no cream, no sugar. I don't agree with those. So they're selling regular for 65, large 80. Extra large 100 peso. That's like around $2, and 65 is around $1.30. Wow. Now I'm really good in converting the money here. You know each other?
Yes, sir. We are classmates in Portugal.
Oh, classmate.
Yeah.
Was she stubborn? She was stubborn in school? No?
You're stubborn now.
No.
He was stubborn in school?
No.
Him? No. What you got? What you get here?
I'm only visiting her.
Avocado, mango,
and calamansi.
and calamansi. This, so I'm gonna enjoy this. I like it. And this is, she has a graduation soon in architecture.
Yeah, architecture.
Oh, so you will be designing like the houses.
Yeah.
Oh, that's
I'm
good.
good at mathematics and measuring some stuff.
Oh, you are good in math?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna tell you one thing out of the cup. So I just met these folks here. They're amazing. This guy just gave me a foot massage using a kind of a tool, and it's a little bit ticklish now in my feet, but they're really good people. I think all three of them, this is their first time to talk to a black man. They say no many black men in BICOL, which I understand. I've been to BICOL several times. So you are okay? This video is gonna be seen on Facebook more than 40,000 people. So you are okay with that? Okay, and I will put on YouTube because I've been going around here. So people here work very hard, and I hate the people who neglect guys like this who are working very hard. I was in the market to see these ladies, how hard they work, and these YouTubers who are going around this to play with the Filipino because they are nice. I don't like that. You need to respect the people you meet. That's the only thing you can do. Thank you so much, guy. I will send this picture to you.
Yes.
I just want to say thank you for the food you gave me the other time. You remember me?
Sinabayaan ang tulad na simulan na ang preparasyon. Ang bumaba ang gawin ng preparasyon